And they also have this cool thing full of brand merchandise. 2 mugs here, Leyland 485 and Nuffield 1060. And that seems to be the most common Nuffield tractor, the 1060. And they also have some Nuffield toys in this bit. They're nice, I like them. Cool. Guy ploughing there. That's cool. Oh, there's another Nuffield mug there. I have a load of tractor models like this at home. And then stuck under this hitch. Oh, you've seen that, haven't you? Haymaking here. Got the tractor there, and loading the hay with a pitchfork into the haymaker, producing hay stocks over there. I like that, that's cool, isn't it? Oh, and then they've got the tractor attached to that, and some sacks of grain or something. Oh, there's a guy rolling in a Nuffield. Yeah. I've got to say, he doesn't look too happy. Oh, some cool Leyland posters. Got some more Nuffield ones over here. Ploughing, that appears. Yeah, ploughing, self-scouring plough. Tractor reversing up to an implement there with a weirdo standing there looking at him. I actually really like all these. Nuffield tractor going over a bridge. And you're gonna like this. This is cool. A load of little McCormick tractors. I don't know if you can sort of catch a sense of scale on camera, but these are actually really small. And hidden in it, they've got a little diamond edition McCormick. One's got a cultivator on. So yeah, these are really cool. They're like 2002 models, I think. To get a bit of a sense of scale, there's one of the tractors next to a reasonably small mug. The mug's bigger. Nuffield stuff here that isn't the models, just Nuffield merchandise. They've got a mug, plate, 2 plates actually, coffee holder, things you put your coffee cup on, and some more mugs. And here's some really small Nuffield tractors. Oh, little, is that a Lands? Yeah, that's a Lands, isn't it? Huh. Cool. And to get a sense of scale for this is a badge, obviously. And this badge is the size of this tractor. Some JCBs here. Got a cool fast track. I like fast tracks, they're good. Fast. Digger. 2 diggers. Oh, they're like moving. Earth moving, that's the word I was looking for. JCB badges there, they're nice. The little thing about JCB, you're not going to be able to read that on camera, so I won't show that. Leyland tractor there with a plough behind the guys having to pull the plough. That must have been hard work. Got some Leyland models here, and there's some key rings attached to that one. These are nice. And then Leyland mug just here. And a very tidgy Leyland model there. And another Leyland Cup. So that's the main Leyland bit. That's cool. I've also just realised this one with the ploughing, it actually has a little seagull there. That's quite cool. Cap up there with some Nuffield tractors. I'm getting tired of saying Nuffield. A huge Case Magnum with trailer at the back. I really like this. It's got a flag there. Some bits and bobs of all sorts here. I mean, it's all tractor related, obviously. Look at all this. What on earth? I quite like that. Oh, there's a combine. Who? Oh, Ferguson T20. This stuff's all very nice. Tractor models here. Oh, McCormick's. I love McCormick's. Oh, this is so ditchy! Oh, it's a keyring. Oh, that's really cool. Dad, come and look at this.